While we're in here, before we get into the nuts and bolts of the production process, we've got a CleanBench here, actually, that's already done. So I'm curious if you could walk me through what we're looking at here. I mean, I know when I press down on this, we get some air pressure, you know, you get some responsiveness. So walk us through like when this is used for and the mechanics of what makes this possible.
So this is one of our Micro-G passive vibration isolation tables. It uses the principle again of a mass on a damp spring. The spring is compressed air. So what we've got here is a tabletop where a customer would put their instrument, maybe an optical microscope. It could be an analytical balance. It could be something like a scanning probe microscope, anything that's very, very sensitive to floor vibration. They would put it on the isolated surface here, which is supported by self-leveling air springs that have height control sensor, so it automatically levels. You connect it to a cylinder of nitrogen or an air compressor, and the table will float and keep the payload isolated from floor vibration and level.
Now, in practice, how does that make your client's job easier?
The problem is this vibration artifact comes up everywhere. Right. So what this is a a proven professional solution. The alternative would be to do things like hang bungee cords from the ceiling, or do all sorts of exotic homemade solutions like that, with are fraught with constant needs for adjustment and fiddling around. So what we do is set and forget system to allow our customers to just forget about floor vibration and concentrate on their work.
Love that. Although bungee cords from the ceiling sound like it'd be fun to see.
Yeah.
Let's get that one to run too. No, this is great. Well, Steve, thank you so much for the quick demo. It's really been a pleasure, man.